Welcome guys to a new vlog. It's your girl Izzy Jennifer. If you're a new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys so much, so much. So I was actually editing this particular video when I realized that I did not have a proper intro, so I decided to throw this in. So yeah, welcome to a new vlog. And I also want to add that if you notice, for the past couple of weeks I have been trying as much as possible to stay consistent on this platform, even though it's not been very easy. But I've been trying as much as possible to stay consistent, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would, like my content, comment on my content, engage, because that is what keeps me going, at least. And yeah, yes, another thing I need to add is you guys help me grow this channel, help me get to, thank you for helping me get to 40, but just help me get to 50. It's not a big deal, right? Just click on the subscribe button if you've not, and just join the family. And I want to try as much as possible to be posting vlogs, very educating vlogs. Like, I want to make sure that when you watch any of my vlogs, you learn something. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So guys, it is time to eat.